In GoodDay, a group is an element of the project structure that lets you organize folders and projects together, creating a meaningful and easy-to-navigate work hierarchy. Unlike projects and folders, groups are solely for organizational purposes and cannot contain any work items such as tasks or events. To create a group, go to the Projects section, click on New, and choose the Group option. After creating the group, you can begin adding subfolders and projects by clicking the plus icon next to the group name. You can also add a group to an existing folder by clicking the Add button located next to the folder's name. Groups offer the same features as folders or projects. To access the group info screen, click on More and select the Info option. Here, you can rename the group, assign an owner, change the icon, adjust the color, and much more. Group access functions much like project access. When you create a group within a folder, it automatically inherits the users from the parent folder. Anyone with access to the group will also have the same level of access to all projects and folders created under that group. We hope you found this tutorial useful. For more information, please visit our support center or contact us.